Hi YouTube, man. Here go my boat, man. Decided I'll give y'all a good another little view. Since I came in and did a little painting and stuff. Still doing a little working. Stuff like that. This thing right here, this just something I made to keep my tarp up. So to make the water run out, don't just hold on the boat. But yeah, man, I'm working on it, man. I'm trying to get there. Ready to get out on that water. Never owned a boat before. So, trying to get it together. I don't know nothing about it, so I'm learning as I go so I can get out on that water. Oh yeah, now that I think about it, man, my trolling motor was out, man. When I went and got it from my homeboy and got it, it was out of. It was working on us last year, but this year, got it back, it was out. I'm working, which, hey, they do like that. But anyway, my switch was out. I tried to go in and order me some switches. They ain't have any. But I came in and I just rigged up my own switches and stuck them out the side right here. Yeah. Low, medium, high. Made that thing work. Oh man shit. Yeah. Y'all check it out. Made me some rod holders out the bungee cord. I already had that on deck at the house. They don't cost nothing about $4 or $5 for the box, but I had that at the house. It worked just the same. Oh yeah. Yeah, man. That's that boat, man. Y'all get at me. Man, here we go, man. We finna go take that boat out, man. And see if it float, man. See how everything go, man. Y'all check this out. We're gonna go put this thing on the water, man. We'll get back with y'all in a few minutes, man.
Lying to your kids, money on your bills. Ballin' with your friends, broke with your friends. Life is a joke, smoke, keep it in. Mama wasn't lying, snake can be your kin. If I wasn't lying, you can't keep it in. Gotta tell a friend just to tell a friend. Twisting up the line just to pull it in. The product was a filth, you'll be drunk again. Don't take a sip, put me in the wind.
Mama always told me there'd be days like this. Now why?
I'm gonna put the boat in the water, I done loaded it back up. Gonna get ready to get out of here for the day. I just wanted to see how it floats.
Just wanna live a little bit. I've been patiently waiting, feel like my patience been taken. I feel I'm destined to get it. Make my heart get to racing. Knowing better days coming, I hope you haters can hear it. We gon' keep dropping music, I know the real ones gon' feel it. See, mama always told me there'd be days like this. Now why? See why? I was raised like this. Feel the hate, see the fate. Thank God for days I get. Instead of living to die.
But yeah, me and my brother finna get out of here, man. Y'all get at us.
Life-changing decision. Had my son at like 20, with no way I could leave him. Like my daddy had done, so I start living for son. So many trials and tribulations, no matter I want, it made a better me. Oh, so heavenly, therefore I'm thanking he for enabling me. Gator boy, the G, a prodigy, obviously. A little older, but I'm cold. If you don't remember nothing else, remember what your mama told. Mama always told me there'd be days like this.
Come on, walk down to it. Come on. Reel it. You gotta reel it. Reel it. All right, drag and walk back with it. So, caught your bass. Come on. Bring it over here. got that fish you was just crying about.
Fans.
His fans will poke you. All right, go let him back. Come on. No, don't throw him. Come on. Yeah, just put him back right there. Drop him right there. Drop him in the water. All right. He gone.
Somebody tell him, I don't want no fuss. I'm on some real nigga shit, natural born.